What's up, YouTube? Got a video on the Leatherman Tread. And I got this from my buddy owns a knife shop that the Ninja used to work for, and he took us to SHOT Show 2 years ago, and they had just introduced this. It wasn't out on the market yet, and I was like, man, I got to get one of those. And here we are 2 years later. I finally got one. And the reason I got it is because my buddy's going out of business, so he's selling everything like 50% off. So I wanted to try this out. So we'll open it up, take a look. Comes with the instructions. Now the cool thing on these is you can take them apart, take the links out with a penny. So I'll use a dime or a quarter too, but so there's that. Alright, so it tells you what all the links are, what they do. This side does. So it's kind of cool, gimmicky. You know, I don't know if you'll ever use these tools, but it looks really badass. So we'll take it out of here. I've already taken a couple links out to fit me, and I had to take the Leatherman link out because I have skinny ass wrists, and I had to take out one link, one full link. So there it is. These are hex wrenches. Allen wrenches, and then hex wrenches here. Smaller ones. Phillips screwdriver, 2 different sizes. Glass breaker. And a cutter. And then this is for like setting your watches and stuff. Phillips regular. So let's put it on and see what she looks like. Like I said, I got skinny wrists. Hang on. So that's it. Now one thing I did notice, if you're trying to do any kind of noise discipline, this thing is kind of noisy. It squeaks. Maybe some WD will help that, but yeah, it looks pretty cool. Haven't worn it really all day yet. Just tried it on, you know, sized it. Don't know if it's going to pull my hair, if it's going to poke me, but so far it feels alright. So, yeah, there it is. The Leatherman Tread. See if I can get it off one-handed here. So right here it has a logo tab, and that's where you pull it from. I wouldn't mind doing it. You know, you could buy the links to make this a watch band, and that might be better than a bracelet, but we'll wear it a while. I think I'll wear it, you know, when I'm shooting camp and stuff like that. It's always good to have some tools. I do carry a Leatherman. Love Leatherman products. This is a stainless, coated stainless, so it's black, but it is stainless. That's what all the screw heads look like. So just wanted to share that with you. Finally got one. Been wanting one for a long, well, for 2 years since they exhibited them at SHOT Show. At the time they were just way too expensive. You know, anywhere between $200–300. If you want the watch, you're going to pay more. But at 50% off, you know, had to get it. So, thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe. We'll see you.